f of x is equal to 7 minus 3x. Find in simplest form f of minus a, f of a plus 3, and f of x plus 2. So just like what we did on the first page, you're just replacing the x value with what it has now in brackets, and if possible, you're simplifying. Sometimes it won't be possible, sometimes it will. You just do it as much as you can. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one. Actually, the first one's not going to be very useful to simplify. So I'm actually going to do B, and then you try A and C, and then I'll do those as well so you can take it up. So f of, you can pause right now actually if you want to give it a try before you even see my first solution, and then unpause, is equal to, now I've got 7 minus 3, and now I'm replacing x with a plus 3. And now that I've done that, I just need to open my brackets and simplify. So here I'm just copying this on the left. 7 minus 3 times a, which is going to be minus 3a, and minus 3 times positive 3 is going to be negative 9. And now the 7 and the 9 are both constants, right? They're both numbers. They can be grouped together as like terms. So f of a plus 3 is equal to, I like putting the variable first, even if it looks a little uglier with the minus 3a, and now positive 7, negative 9, I end up with a negative 2. I just like having it with the variables first, but if you want to put the minus 2 first, that is also just as correct. Alright, now, if you can, pause the video, give A and C a try, and then I will take up the answer. I just need a quick sip of water. So, let's take it up. The first one, f of minus a, is nice and simple because I'm replacing one variable with another. So I'm really just changing the letter and then just the sign because I've got a minus, right? I've got minus 3 times minus a. So f of minus a, the 7's not going to change. 3 times a is just 3a. And then because it's a minus times a minus, they simplify, and I'm left with a positive. And again, this could be your final answer, but just my personal preference, I like putting the variable first. Maybe just because when I was in grade 9, I had y equals mx plus b hammered into my head, so I just like putting the variables first. And now I've got f of x plus 2 is equal to 7 minus 3 bracket, and now I've got x plus 2. And just like in part B, I'm just opening the brackets, grouping like terms if possible to simplify as much as I can. So this side I'm just copying, x plus 2 is equal to 7 minus 3 times x will give me minus 3x, minus 3 times 2 will give me minus 6, and now I'm grouping up my two constants, or my two numbers. I've got x plus f of x plus 2 is equal to minus 3, because like I said, I like putting the variables first, and then positive 7 minus 6, I'm just left with plus 1. So I've got my 3 final answers here. Okay, so pause the video if you want to copy it, just in case you fell behind.